counseling them or constantly telling them there was zero difference. Some people who used to listen, they even drank their own urine. They were cured of AIDS. Some 2 cases became positive from negative. When HIV was positive, 2 people became negative. And after that, I stopped handling them after 8, 9 or 10 months. But during those period of handling 25 patients, my experience was it was all the mind that produced reaction. The emotion of not being loved, in short. It either produced a grief feeling, it either produced a guilt feeling, had sexual affairs, or somewhere there was blood transfusion, and then they were taking revenge in the form of selling blood. So HIV is also emotional. Then we say HIV virus is coming. Creating that feeling in the basis of that emotion. So the power of not allowing those negative feelings to seep into your mind is only your power. If you give permission, it will come inside. If you don't give permission, it can't enter you. But you are not aware only when it enters and it becomes yours. Are you aware? You are not aware only when it is entering into you, when it is becoming yours, and when it is going into the organ also. Till someday something happens and then something arises. Then you say, "Arey, ye to ye ho gaya." Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please tell me. We are just sleeping. We are not aware of anything. होता है, चलता है, आता है, जाता है, हो रहा है. You have a urge to see that we want to change ourselves, we want to improve our emotional style. Then only there can be a change. Otherwise, you will be in the same sorry state of affairs continuously throughout your life. There cannot be any change. Have you read a book, there is a book called Heal Yourself. Have you heard of this book, Heal Yourself, by Louise Hay? There is a book called Heal Yourself by Louise Hay. In that it is written how each and every organ of the body is affected. You will get it from crosswords. Yeah, it is costing 150 or 200 rupees. Heal Yourself by Louise Hay, whereby it shows each and every emotion affecting each and every organ of the body. Whenever we take down case histories, of patients having homeopathy, we go to the core of the problem. I told you a girl having no periods for 1 year, she developed fear developed no menses. If this patient will go to the allopathic doctor, they will give him hormonal pills, correct? But the same person looked into homeopathically, we gave something hormonal so the period should come, then we gave something for the mind. So the emotions can be balanced. So if the emotions will be balanced, then the periods will become regular every month. It is not there, you can't work on yourself at all. To develop, you will have to be self-observant, 100% self-observant. That is why it is important that 5 minutes you close your eyes morning and night. I want you to ask me questions because I will be on and on otherwise. What? Closing eyes before lunch and dinner. Just now you are not going to have lunch or dinner. Before lunch and dinner, your whole, that is a system, that is why it will help you. Okay? It is particularly before meals because at that time all your energies will be going towards your stomach. So when you are closing eyes, your mind is empty. When your mind is empty, you will know and you will be able to see your thoughts like only a seer, as if someone else is looking at you. You will not become one with your thoughts. You are separate than your thoughts. You are not your thought. Thought is separate, action is separate, behavior is separate. When someone says you are hurting me, you are not hurting, your behavior is hurting. Your words are hurting. So you become one with your behavior. That is why you will understand that your thoughts are separate and you are separate. When you do it before lunch and dinner, that is why.
Doctor, there are some problems which come with age in women and men. And they also be cured by like enlargement of prostate.
Now I'll tell you one thing.
That
As far as age is concerned, it's a matter of mind. It's a matter of mind. With age, your deteriorating is one. Have you seen some yogis, some saints, that they have that same stage on their face? It is because their whole mental attitude is different. If your mental attitude is different, that aging process will not come in the body at all. It's all connected with your mental attitude only. With aging, prostate may come, osteoporosis may come, brain atrophy may come, cataract will come. But it is proportional to your mental attitude, guaranteed. If your mental attitude is different, then it will be different. Or then if you will say, oh, it is age, with age everything comes. You are accepting it. If you don't accept it and if you challenge it, it will have to go. So it will depend on what you are doing about it, otherwise nothing.
Tell us about memory loss with age.
Pardon?
Memory loss.
Memory loss is again with your mind, no? You are disinterested in things. Some hurt, there has been prolonged hurt to your system which you don't want to remember. That is why you go into dementia. Why do you go into Alzheimer's? Prolonged hurts for a long time. Or you are having expectation from your children that your children will look after you. You've done so much for your children. You worked for your children, but your children are totally abroad. They are not looking after you. They are having separate flats, so they have taken away your money. Children are there who take away parents' money and they are left alone. So it is the prolonged hurt feeling. They don't want to see all this. So the cells withdraw. The cells withdraw and they develop this. So it is only for you to be powerful that all this will stop. And to be totally aware. And to know that you are a conscious. Because only when you understand that you are a conscious will that energy not allow the disease energy to enter the body. What is disease? This is the energy flow that is going properly is disrupted from coming to that organ by the emotion, so the pathology is created. Are you understanding or not? The energy flow is happening but it is disrupted due to some thoughts, some negative thoughts. And those negative thoughts will take that energy to the body, organ. That organ will either sulk or it will grow enlarged. And so the pathology and self-observant. And that only you can do, no one can do it for you. And that is why mentally balanced. You have to be very conscious on the type of food that you eat. The way you are making your food. The thought processes that you have when you make your food. Because all those energy vibrations go into your body. So it is only finally that will